So we are going to IKEA right now. So,
Hi.
so you can join us on our adventure. This is our apartment. We're on the 12th floor, and that's a kindergarten. He forgot his hat, so we have to go back. IKEA! What is that?
Where?
In your hand? This is a Russian mall. This is the food court. There's a Burger King, McDonald's, a Baskin Robbins.
Do you want to eat first?
Okay. So we are getting hot dogs to eat, and they are 25 rubles. Is it good? We're looking for a mattress. The mattress that we have is horrendous. I feel like we're on a movie set. Christmas stuff. I'm home.
You really need a mattress?
Yes, we do.
Why?
Christmas tree. Does this look like my house?
No.
My kitchen.
It's like an American kitchen, I guess.
This is an American kitchen. Kind of. Yes. Mattresses.
Okay, turn it off and let's look.
Christmas stuff.
Turn it off. Stop recording everybody. This is weird.
I'm an American in Russia. It looks weird already. You think Audrey is beautiful?
No.
You just said you do. Yeah, this is my closet. All mine. We've been in here for about, I don't know, 6 hours? 2 hours maybe. I don't know. Once you're in here forever.
Hunger Games.
Are you having fun? What? Christmas!
We need to get it.
So we are now checking out. Finally! We got our mattress and some knickknacks. What is a knickknack?